This is the Avaya B179 conference phone. The B179 offers natural, clear sound for more efficient conference calls. It is ideal for large conference rooms and boardrooms and accommodates groups greater than 10 people. The B179 is SIP-based for powerful integration with the Avaya Aura platform as well as other third-party networks and PoE. Included with the Avaya B179 is the Ethernet network cable. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.